What's going on, and welcome to day 7 of content repurposing tutorials, where I'm sharing time-saving content tips for all of you busy creators out there. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a tweet or a text video using stock footage. Stick around to the end where I'll show you an app that will make all of this even easier. The first thing I want to do is make sure you all are aware of a couple of free stock footage websites that you can use starting today. So that's going to be Pexels and Mixkit. I'm going to be using Pexels for this demonstration, but Mixkit is also a wonderful free site where you can get lots of stock footage, photos, music, and even sound effects. I'm here in Pexels, and what I'm going to look for today is I'm going to look for some drone footage. I'll press done. I'm going to also press this down arrow and request videos. All right, and once I've done that, I can press return and it will do that. So also what we can do is go down to filters and we can select the orientation, and I'm going to select vertical. So we want to use footage that is already vertical so we don't have to crop in too much. We can scroll through here and see they have a lot of nice drone footage. That's why I put it there, because it's nice and scenic, which will go well with any tweet post that we use. I'm going to select this city one right here. What I can do is I can either tap into it and tap the free download, or you have the option to just press the button from right here. So I'll press that button from right there and it is downloading to my phone. I press download. Make sure you know where all your downloads are going. But what I can do is, after it's downloaded here, if you have an iPhone, I'm going to tap this arrow right here and I'm going to show my downloads. And this right here, I'm going to tap on it. And now I'm going to press this here and save it to my camera roll. So scroll up, save video. And now that video is inside of my camera roll. So I can press done and I can be done with that area. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab a tweet. So I'll go over to X, go to my profile, find a recent tweet that I've done. That's all text somewhere. I'll click this one right here. And what I'm going to do differently, because I'm going to show you an app that will make this whole process easier, I'm going to press up and I am going to copy the link. Now I'm going to open up an app called toStories, literally T-O and stories. I've pressed that there. And what I can do is I can just paste the link right here. Paste it and then press next. Now what it does is it exports my tweet perfectly. And this is a transparent background here. So we can just press download from here. Now I'm going to take both of my stock footage and my tweet from toStories over into CapCut. We're in CapCut. I'm going to start a new project and I'm going to select my stock footage here, press add. It's in a vertical format, which is great for Instagram and TikTok. And what I'm going to do is press overlay, add overlay, go to photos. We see our recent tweet that we just got from toStories. I'll press it and I'm going to add it. And overlay is going to be right on top of it here. So I can extend it. Let's say I want the video to last about 7 seconds. I can press the stock footage and split it and delete the rest of it because I don't need it. And now I have my tweet over it. So a couple different options we have for this here is to click on it here and we can move it wherever we like. We can also, one of the things I like to do is slide over, and I just like to bring down the opacity just so I can see a little bit of the city in the background, but not too much that you can't see the words. So bring it there and we have that. So we can press the check mark and now we have our tweet. So you can scroll in some more if things are not completely lined up and just make everything lined up nicely. You can add music from in here as well, or you can go ahead and put it over into Instagram or TikTok and add your music from in there. That is a quick and easy way that you can create a tweet video with stock footage, a tweet, and the toStories app. Have you heard of the toStories app before, or do you know any apps that are similar? Please place them in the comments below so I can check them out. I hope you've been getting value from this series so far. We're already in day 7. If you haven't already, share this with another creator or personal brand or business that needs help with content ideas and even content repurposing ideas. I'd love for them to join into our learning experience. And make sure you comment if there's anything that you want me to address over my next 30 days. I'm doing these in little chunks here and there, so I'm not too far ahead of my schedule, and I'll be happy to modify the schedule for you. Join me tomorrow for day 8, where I'm going to teach you all how to make quotes in Canva.